Why does most writing advice not work? What makes writing advice bad? How do you give good writing advice? Hi, I'm Elizabeth Preston, and I'm an executive consultant and the manager of the Communication Diagnostic Department at Hurley Write Incorporated. The truth behind poor writing advice is that you don't give a reason why. Most writing advice is pretty terrible because it does not give an explanation of why you should do it in the first place. I'm sure you've seen this kind of advice. It looks like, be more concise, be clear, don't use filler words. Why? Why should I be more concise here? Isn't that important information that my reader needs to know? What words are filler words? My filler word may not be your filler word. Without that reason behind the advice just kind of goes in one ear and out the other ear. In order for you to internalize advice and make it your own so that you can carry that from document to document and really integrate it into your problem-solving skills and your critical thinking skills, you have to have that why behind it. Be more concise. Why? Because your reader doesn't need to know all of this technical information. They really just want to know the bottom line. When you give that why, the writer can learn, and then they can take those lessons into the next document and the next document. As an editor, that'll help you not see those problems again and again in your team's documents. As a writer, you can get better and better and stop making those mistakes that are just plain irritating at this point. You wish your manager would stop commenting on them. At Hurley Write, we don't just give writing advice. We give you the skills that you need to be successful and the critical thinking skills and the problem-solving skills that you need to be successful in writing documents months, years down the line, not just for today. Life's too short to write poorly. Learn how you can save you and your team time and money with better writing skills and better thinking skills. Give Hurley Write a call at 877-249-7483 or email us at info@hurleywrite.com. That's info@hurleywrite.com. Thank you for listening. I'm Elizabeth Preston. May your week be filled with good health and good writing.